Good morning, folks. My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. And here I'm going to show you today the Scout new model 188 SF. As you see, this boat's in our showroom. They did a wonderful job on the design of this, and we're going to hop on the boat here in a second. I just want to show you the outside of it. This boat's powered with a Yamaha 115. Has twin swim steps with a ladder, 4 rocket launchers or rod holders, I should say, out the back. You just step on here, easy on and off. Rod storage on both sides of the gunnel, and underneath both seats back here, live well or cooler. Underneath that hatch there is access to your bilge. You have a nice size helm seat. You can fit 2 people comfortably. As well as a glove box that's lockable. Cable throttle and shift. Big steering wheel with your gauges behind. Nice switching panel. Your Fusion stereo head. And it has a Garmin touchscreen electronics. And of course, you gotta have your Ritchie compass. Then up front, you have a coffin box, which is a nice feature on a 18-foot boat that also has a ton of storage. As you see here, we have the cover stored in there. Speakers on both sides of the helm, of the gunnel, to another forward seat up front. If you'd like to come see this 188 Scout, please stop by and see us at 600 Bay Avenue in Somers Point, New Jersey. And again, my name's Michael Mara. You can reach us at 609-926-0600. And we look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.